Hello! In this video I'm unboxing and giving you overview of the biggest i-SENSYS so far, the i-SENSYS MF832Cdw. Let's see some basic information about the weight and dimensions. I'm removing quickly the orange materials from the printer and finishing my unboxing. I will not cover the setup in this video, I will just cover the key features about this model. Let's start from the top. Here is the two-sided one-pass automatic document feeder, which can take also smaller sizes like A6. The rollers are very durable and the scan speed is really high, up to 150 images per minute with the two scanners in the mechanism. The user screen is 7-inch LCD touch display. It supports NFC. There are user-friendly menus with a history timeline for quick operation. For more settings, you need to log in as an administrator. There are some other on-screen shortcuts, like this one for screen language, quick access to the device counters, and other information on the device, which has 2 GB of standard memory, and there is status monitor job log, where you can find all the history about this printer. Consumables are new. For this printer you need only all-in-one toner cartridges and waste toner container. It comes with the starter cartridges, and here are the capacities. In all-in-one toner, toner and drum are combined. So there is no other user maintenance. The rollers are pretty much durable and they have no official interval. About the media, there is standard 550 capacity cassette, and there is manual feeder from the side. More additional options can be combined for more capacity. The maximum capacity is 2300 pages, if you combine 4 paper cassettes and manual tray. On the right side you find the manual tray for heavier or thicker media. And on the right side you can also open to remove the jammed paper. Let's go to the other side, where you find physical connections and telephone plugs for fax. This device is 4-in-1. Faxes can be sent from the computer or received into the memory, or forwarded to the email. For connectivity, there is Mobile Portal for quick connection of your mobile device. Download Canon Print Business app, scan this QR code and register your printer. Here is the list of the supported features. For scanning, scan to email, scan to iFax, scan to computer, scan to mobile device, scan and print from USB memory, all this is supported. Many features on this device may be restricted by default, and only the administrator can unlock them. This is the first device to support Canon Remote Operation Viewer, so you can remotely connect to the device and operate it. I will not cover the installation steps, which are pretty much simple by following the on-screen illustrations. Before doing a test, let's put some paper into the paper cassette. When you close the paper cassette with soft closing mechanism, the printer will ask you to select the correct media. Here I scroll through the media possibilities. Let's do the two-sided copy speed test. I will copy one-sided original to two-sided copy. In the last part, let me cover the optional items for MF832Cdw. There is a long list, and here I put some extra information about the accessories. Find more useful information about this multifunctional in the description below, and that would be all on MF832. You can find more videos in the playlist about i-SENSYS or image class devices on my YouTube channel. Check in the upper right corner of the screen. Feel free to comment, like, ask questions, and do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell so you won't miss my future uploads about the printers. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!